Hey Tube, welcome back. Load balancers. Load balancers are a fundamental concept components in distributed systems and are crucial for ensuring that applications are scalable, reliable, and available. So let's talk about what is the purpose of the load balancing. From its name, it looks like it balance the load or the coming to servers. But how? Let's try to discuss this further in details. So let's say that we have a client and this clients were sending requests to the server. Okay, we have one client and one server and everything looks good. However, let's assume that our client sends too many servers, too many requests, and right now our servers cannot handle all of these requests. So there are two solutions for this problem. We need to scale. So we could scale horizontally or we scale vertically. Basically, we cannot add more resources, so we add more CPU and more RAM, so we make our server bigger, or we can scale horizontally by adding more servers. We will talk in the future about what the pros and cons of each one, but like we can talk on high level right now. We're saying that if we add more resource like CPU, RAM, we will have some sort of limit due the physical nature for each server. We cannot add like RAMs and CPUs like forever. We have some sort of limits for that. So if we wanted to add more machines, let's say we need to know how well the client knows which server to send the, to send the request to. Sorry, I'm ill. To send the request to. Okay, there where the load balancer comes into play. Let's see how the load balancer will work. So we have right now the clients. We will have here the load balancer. The client will try to send all the requests to the load balancer, and the load balancer will distribute all the incoming requests to the servers. So to make sure right now, no server is overloaded with requests and no server is underloaded with requests. So basically, a load balancer is a device or software that distributes network or application traffic across a number of servers. Its primary purpose is to enhance the reliability and performance of applications by distributing the workload, thereby preventing any single server from becoming a bottleneck. There are. This is how the load balancer works on high level. Um, we could talk also about some famous load balancer algorithms. We can talk about let us see and make this quite smaller here. Yeah, we can talk about first about the round robin load balancer. This one distributes client requests sequentially across the server pool, simple and effective for systems where all servers have equal processing capabilities. We have the least connection. We here since new requests to the server with the fewest current connections. It's useful in scenarios where sessions persistence is important. We have the IP hash load balancer. We select a server based on a hash of the client IP address. This method ensures that a particular user will consistently be sent to the same server, which can be important for session consistency. Also, you can use like there is weighted round robin and there is more, but let's say that these three algorithms like you need to know about them like they exist, and we will create videos about how each one of them works in details. um, there are some considerations for using load balancers. For example, the session persistence, like some applications require that users session session be handled by the same server for the duration of their visit. Load balancers need to support sticky session for this purpose. Also, there is some things like a health checks, like regular checks are necessary to ensure that all servers in the pool are functional. Non-responsive servers should be temporarily removed from the pool. Lastly, security. Load balancers can also provide additional security benefits like SSL termination, which offloads the SSL decryption work from backend servers. So, in conclusion, load balancers are essential components of modern web infrastructure, enabling applications to scale seamlessly and maintain high availability. By understanding the types of load balancers, the algorithms they use, and the considerations for their deployment, system designers can ensure that applications can handle growth and functions in demand effectively. So that's it for today's video, and I hope you like my content. If you like my content, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. And see you in future problem.